What's up guys, it's Boy here back again with another video, and oh, that was a fast intro. Today we're gonna open up a couple of Deoras. Alright, I know what you guys are thinking. I'm at Drifter, I thought you stopped collecting. Hey, you guys, come on, it's a Deora 2. It's a Deora 2. I'll make an exception for this one. And I just want to make this clear. I did not stop collecting. I'm taking a break. And I already said in the video, I will make an exception. If there's a card that's really cool, I'll buy it. Alright? Maybe I should make another main channel video clarifying that. But for now, let's take a look at these Deoras right here. Starting with this one right here. Bam. Woo! Oh, yo. Alright. This one is probably my second favorite Deora, or maybe my third. Maybe might be my first. I don't know why. You guys, you wanna know why? This was in the Hot Wheels game of Velocity X. Yes, this particular Deora was in that game, and I was so happy when I unlocked this car in the game. Oh, yo, brings me good memories, and I love that game, man. I especially loved using the Deora. It wasn't noticeably fast, rather it was good at stunts. But yeah, just some fun facts. But still, the red paint on this one, white surfboards, and the wheels. I've never been a huge fan of these wheels, especially when they use it on exotic cars. It makes them look lame, but it fits certain cars like this Deora 2 very well. I love it, love it, love it. So check that out. Next is this Deora 2 from the Hot Wheels Design series in 09. And I remember when I was a kid, I saw this on the pegs for the first time. When I was a kid, I always thought like, yo man, I wish I could own a Deora. And I found this on the pegs. For those who live in Singapore, I found this at Popular. But guess what? Back then, my mom, since I was a kid, it's understandable, my mom didn't want me to buy it. She was saying like, what? You want to buy another Hot Wheels car? Nah. Then I was like, yo mom, but it's a Deora 2. Then she was like, what's a Deora 2? It's a really cool car. What? Then you guys get the story. So now that I'm older, pal, haha, take that mom, I can buy what I want. Nah, just kidding, love you mom. But here it is. So finally, glad to have this right here. And then this third one is this orange variant from 2010. So this, I actually have this already. I'll show this in a while. I'll show in a while, but here it is in this orange and blue color scheme. And I love how the windows are blue as well to match the surfboards. Not particularly a huge fan of this one, and the FTE wheels. Because of the FTE wheels, you can kind of see the ugly interior of the Deora. I would have preferred if they kept it this way. It's a bigger wheel slicer, but still yes, FTE wheels, so that's cool. John's Surf Shop. Hey look, it's my name, but my name is spelled as, you guys know, in the channel name is pronounced BJ or N, but hey, John's Surf Shop. So yeah, that's cool. All right, so for the end of the video, guys, while showing you guys the case, I watched yesterday's video, me replying to your comments. You guys seem to enjoy it. It has more than 100 views, so that's around average per my channel. So yeah, maybe I'll make more of those videos yesterday about me replying to your comments. So anyways, here are some of the Deoras I have, and this is by the way, for those wondering, this is from the Micro City. This one was from my friend Jude. This is the one I have, Surf Shop, but this one doesn't have the surfboard. So here's the one with surfboard. You're gonna replace his spot. For this one, I might do a custom on it, I'm not sure. And then this one can rest right here, and this one can rest right here. And that's not all my Deoras. I still have this one there. I'm gonna lift you up, guys. You raise me up. But yeah, there you go. There are two right there. The Highway 35 right here. And there's one more in the box from the Deora 35th anniversary somewhere right there. So I have like 19, 20, 22 Deoras right now. Wait, 21 Deoras, or 22 including this one. So yep, so that's it for this video. It's a quick video for the second channel. Yeah, it's kind of I'll be sure to make more second channel videos, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.